In today's short and simple video tutorial, we would like to show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this Doogee V20 smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. In here, find the apps and notifications category. Go for the advanced section, so expand it. Click on the default apps category, choose browser app. In here, all that it's left to do is to tap on Opera, therefore selecting it as your default browsing app. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. In here, tap on the avatar that is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon that stands for settings. Scroll down a little, tap on the default browser section. Next, tap on the Opera and select it as your default browser once again. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.